Hi, to fix battery drain problem on Samsung Galaxy S25, first thing we can do is to enable power saving mode because it can extend battery life up to 11 hours. So let's swipe down to trigger quick settings. Now swipe down once more and find power saving. If the icon is white, then it is turned on. If icon is black, then turned off. You can also press and hold it and check its settings and also change them. So to enable, just open it to see status on. Now let's go in settings, find display tab, and of course we can switch from light to dark one to reduce load on a processor and on a battery, and also adjust brightness level by dragging the slider left to reduce brightness, and make sure to disable extra brightness from here, like that. Now in motion smoothness, we need to switch from adaptive to standard, but firstly disable power saving. So let's disable it, and if you have chosen adaptive, then switch to standard to get longer battery life and tap button apply. And of course find your screen timeout and switch to something lower than 1 minute or just 1 minute. The next thing we can do is we can go back in main settings. From here find the advanced features tab and then disable Super HDR by tapping on the switcher like that. Also go in Game Booster settings, and from here tap on Game Optimization, and instead of Performance, switch to either Balanced, or it is even better to choose Battery Saver, and simply save changes by going back. And now we need to find our notifications, app notifications, and make sure to disable notifications from not needed apps just by tapping on the switchers like that. It will really help to extend your battery life. And if you're not using Wi-Fi at the moment, then disable it in connections. The same for Bluetooth and for mobile data. So if you turned on Wi-Fi, then you don't need to use mobile data at the moment. Therefore, disable it in data usage tab. So the switcher would be gray like in my case. And of course, we can find location tab. From here, go in location services and make sure to turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. So the switchers would be gray as well. And also turn off location at all as well. And do the same with mobile hotspot. So make sure that mobile hotspot is also turned off because it drains battery a lot. And of course, we need to close all apps which are running in the background. For that, tap three lines and simply swipe up your app like that to close it. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.